looked like gas came out of the car.
Really?
Yeah, when he took off, but it was a good launch.
It was a good launch though, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't get to watch the DSM for today's Evo meet and cruise, but it's been super windy lately, so I didn't even want to bother. Now I'm actually really excited because we are taking the DSM to race in the Hoonigans channel. And I don't really drive the car often. I don't know if there's anything wrong with it, but I think right now is a great opportunity to test drive it and make sure everything's good before the event, just in case I need to fix anything. I'll be filming behind the scenes. I'll be filming the Evo meet today, and then we're also going to meet up with an OG of the channel at DSMer. Yeah, should be fun today. Let's see what happens, and then yeah, I'm super nervous. What you doing, man? Shooting the Eclipse. It's still your daily? Yeah. Shows up late. All right, that's it for the Evo event. Always a nice turnout, always good people, always nice to catch up with people I haven't seen in a while. I didn't go to the canyon cruise with them because I'm gonna go straight to my buddy's house too. Just look over the DSM slightly, make sure that it's good for the Hoonigans event. Look at this OG stuff right here. What's going on? Say hi to the people. How long has it been since you last started it?
So since I got my house, I brought it like a month ago.
Yeah.
But before that, like maybe 6 months.
So you never run it?
No. So it still got spider webs.
Yeah. It's like mine. Life, man.
I gotta wash mine. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, try it.
Hopefully starts.
Still starts up. We have a reason, basically, like the bumper's being pulled awkwardly, so when it sits on the car, it looks like it's kind of tilted. So I think it's just readjusting the lip positioning to make sure that it's even throughout the bumpers. We're good.
The one that's in there is pretty mint, no?
Other bumpers up here. Oh, it's primered.
Yeah,
That's
just
right.
need to paint it and
But
clear it.
that one's in way better condition though.
Yeah, a lot better.
Yeah. How's the fitment feel?
So I had to ship those back and I went on the 9s and then we could finish the head. I was learning how to do the springs and retainers. Alright, so we went ahead and took off the throttle body cable. To make some adjustments, I did feel some slight slack, so whenever I accelerate, it takes a little bit longer for the car to kind of react. So we're just gonna make sure that it's tight. I was experiencing some sort of hiccups with the car on the way here, and I'm not sure if it's because like the car sat for too long and maybe like there's something in the fuel system, or I don't know. I'm looking over the piping, we're looking over kind of just everything just to make sure that the car is good to go, and then we'll see how she does. Maybe like, what do you think right there? Or a little bit lower?
Let's try that.
Try that?
Yeah.
Okay. Right there.
Oh wait, that's it?
Yeah.
But that feels better, right?
Yeah.
Looks better too.
Yeah. Alright, so we're making space for the cars. Me and Lazy are gonna do a little podcast setup here, which we'll be dropping in another video.
Dude, that lip is holding for dear life. Really? Yeah.
Alright, so tomorrow's the big day for the run. The car is misfiring or getting some sort of fuel cut under boost. I'm still not sure. All I can pretty much do right now is go ahead and at least change out the spark plugs. These are the NGK BPR7ESs. You could always run these for the Evo 8. You are gonna have to have a different part number if you have an Evo 9. Doesn't look too bad. Here we have the spark plugs, nothing crazy, no missing tips. So that's always good. You realize you guys said that they come pre-gapped, so they look pretty close. But the standard size is 0.28 to 0.3. Alright, quick fill up and test drive before we hit the track tomorrow. It's an airport, and it's gonna be at 7:30 in the morning, so colder temperature. All right, let's get going. It actually feels smoother already. Quick launch. Let's try it. The clutch has a very long throw, so usually around the halfway point is where the car kind of starts moving. So what I'm thinking about doing is kind of getting to that point, e-brake up, rev it up, maybe not to this two-step, because I think two-step set to like around 5,500, around to like maybe 3,500, just to kind of get used to the motion of the launch, I really wish I did have more practice for this type of race, and I'm sure a lot of DSM guys on here that do drag would probably be a much better fit for this race specifically, right? I don't think the car that we're racing is anything special. I think most drag DSMs would be able to take it, but at the same time, this is just a street car, and it's only stock turbo, so. God damn, the station's packed. Official introduction of the DSM V1 tails. OEM look, but with some changes. These are the brakes. Animation. That's how it lights up, and then these are going to be the turn signals on each side. Of course, we still have the centerpiece to do, but this kind of gives you guys the gist. Running lights with the animation. I could do the whole thing. And then we have the brakes and the turn signals. These taillights look pretty nice. It's kind of weird seeing the car without the EDM taillights. Kind of like it like this though. Now I'm not really too sure on what's going to happen today. I don't know what to expect. I've been nervous about this race ever since they let me know that they wanted to do it, and it's been a thought on the back of my head ever since then, right? So I haven't really been able to sleep in the past couple of days, and for some reason today I woke up good. I woke up calm, I woke up collected, I woke up present, and I'm grateful for that because I don't want to be nervous during this whole race thing, right? So I don't know if I'm gonna win or not. The best thing you can do is believe in yourself and hope for the best. I do think that we might not have the upper hand in this race. They already told me what car it is, and at the end of the day, anything is possible. There's too many variables to determine who's actually going to win, but all I can say is I'm going to give it my best shots and hopefully represent my Mitsu guys to the best of my ability, and I mean that sincerely, especially my DSM guys. I know there's a lot of you guys on here that, you know, actually drag race your DSMs and run 8s and 9s and 10s, and this is just a basic stock turbo bolt-on build, very mild, but at the end of the day it does pack a punch. Hopefully the spark plugs did fix most of the issues that it was having as far as it breaking up. Here we have the competitor. First time I see one in person, and all I can say is it looks pretty big, huge tires. Apparently these weigh around 6,800 pounds, so they're twice my weight. It looks crazy. Quick little walk around. As long as I launch good. These are all-wheel drive. All you gotta do is step on the pedal. I find the wiper super weird. It's huge. But yeah, it should be fun. I'm excited, and we'll try to record as much as possible for you guys. Fat tire in the back. So sick. We got the C6. It's a C6 Vet. Oh, I don't know what that is. It's a bunch of EV cars pulling up. It looks like it's gonna be like a petrol versus EV type of matchup. Lucid Sapphire. Currently setting up the cameras for the cars, and we should be ready to start the racing.
How you think you did?
Bro, I'm getting fuel cut at the top.
Huh?
On top, I'm getting fuel cut on top end, like around 6,000.
It almost looked like gas came out of the car.
Really?
Yeah, when you took off, but it was a good launch.
It was a good launch though, huh?
Yeah, it looked kind of close, but I can't see what's down there.
We got goddamn 6-megapixel truck beat a car. This man put his heart and soul into it.
Yeah, alright.
I'm good. That last one was bad.
Oh,
Like as soon as I
this
took
shit.
off, it just cut off on me. The thing is, I knew it was gonna have these issues because it just sits and never drives. I think the fuel system.
It's one that looks when you never know.
Well,
Sound, looks, all of it.
Check out the car.
I wish
yeah, that last run was like, it was the pressure, and as soon as I took off, it cut off, and I was like, fuck this.
Should have done a 40.
Yeah, I could have done a 40 roll.
Told you the whole time.
I know.
At that point, the car's already moving.
Good. So he brought us something super beautiful. Tell me about it.
So I've been building this car over the last 10 plus years. It was my first project car.
What is it?
It's a 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX. So sick. This out. We got a 1G in the house. Murdered out too. Oof. All I gotta say is I'm super proud of the GSM for one, not breaking, and two, we are having some minor issues, but it did give the Cybertruck a run for its money. At the end of the day, I could have done better with my shifting, with my launching, etc. The car could have run a little bit better, just due to me not doing any of the work as far as cleaning the injectors or checking out the fuel pump. I've honestly just been really tired with like the Evo build, the VR4 build, and just having to come into another Eclipse is kind of like it's a bit overwhelming. So just brought it out, raced it, didn't break it. That's a win for me. So make sure you guys check out the Hoonigans video. I'll go ahead and link once it's released on the video description for you guys to check out the full thing. And yeah, shout out to them for giving me the shot, and shout out to you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.